Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm going to show you how to remove your double-sided tape safely from your wig without ruining it. So you're going to use a cloth, obviously it can be smaller than this one, and you're going to dip it into some. So if you get your cloth wet, and then you're going to go where the lace is, and you're going to put the water on it because this will help remove the tape safely so that you're not ripping out any hairs when you're removing it. And you're gonna go all along where you know you put the tape to lift it. So you're pushing it on, getting some good amount of water so that it just picks off. Here's the tape, and it just came off from the lace because you put enough water so it didn't stick to the lace. And as you can see, there's not like any residue left. So you're gonna keep doing that, make sure you have water and wet where you put your tape. So if you watched the previous video, you'll see that I put the tape on the sides and on the front. So I'm going to lift this front piece now. You wanna make sure that it's nice and wet. You can pull your hairs out of the way so that you're not getting them as wet if you don't want to have to wash it or restyle it. You just want it so that it lifts easy. I go underneath until it's not sticking. There, it's not sticking. So I pull that part. Now I'm going to do the side because I have 3 along here though. Now I'm doing this side piece. I'm just lightly dabbing my face with some pressure so that the water kind of comes out. Obviously if you have too much in your rag, the water's just gonna drip down off your face, which isn't ideal. And then that piece just lifted up and you can see the tape here. Now I have this front piece. Okay. So now that all my tape is unstuck, I can pull my wig off. And then, obviously, you don't want tape on your head, so remove all the tape. And since it's double-sided fashion tape, it doesn't hurt to remove. And there you have it. How to safely remove your double-sided tape.